Alright, so I ordered these shoes off of Wish. They're also on eBay and probably Amazon and stuff like that. So just want to do a quick review on them and see if they're any good or not. So they actually came in like this like soft package, or like it's like full of air. It's like really kind of neat. It's not in a box. It just came in this plastic enclosure, and then they just put wrapping around the whole enclosure and put the plastic over it for shipping. So it's kind of hard to do this with one hand. So this is what one shoe looks like. It's riding boots. They look pretty solid, pretty good quality. Called Speed Bikers. Overall, look good. Obviously, I'll have to try them on and see how they fit. Hopefully, they fit. I ordered size 11, or I think it's also called 44 in Europe. The European sizes. So we'll see how they fit in a minute. Alright, so some people, it looked like they didn't know how to actually undo this part of it. So like I said earlier, it's kind of like a snowboard boot, ski boots. So to tighten this one, to actually loosen it, you have to push down on these, the outsides of them. It's kind of hard to see if, so you're gonna push down, and then they go a little bit further. So you can push down, and then you want to push them kind of out to the sides. Let's see here. You can push them down, but you need to go all the way out. So yeah, and then you can just. Not able to do it with one hand, I don't think. But you should be able to back it out. Let's see, there we go. So it's just a simple matter of getting it down all the way to the leather, pretty much, or down to here. It's not the easiest thing to hold the phone and focus on. But yeah. Like I said, you want to push both of them down, all the way down at the same time. And then, of course, you'll probably have two hands when doing this, but you can ratchet it in, push it all the way down to the outside of this, pretty much this buckle here, and it'll be pretty much touching down there like that. So you push them all the way down, and push the plastic part back out as far as you need to go to get it off the strip. I tried these on. Like I said, I ordered size 11s, and they fit pretty good. So right now I don't have socks on, but tried them on. Like I said, they fit pretty good. So overall, I'm happy with them. The fit and finish probably isn't, the greatest. Like I was looking right here, doesn't look like the greatest, but I guess that's what you get for $58.50 straight from China. Again, these are Speed Riders boots. I bought mine off of Wish. I've seen them on eBay, probably Amazon, and they're all a little bit more expensive. Facebook, I get ads for them every once in a while, so figured I'd look at Wish, see if they're any cheaper. The ad said $20, but when I looked at it, they raised the price to $30, and then it was like $30 in shipping. So I was like, well, this is still the cheapest I can find it anywhere. I ended up using like one of the Wish coupon codes, and I got $1.50 off. You may be able to get them a little bit cheaper. It's all on what you're looking for, I guess. overall they seem to be okay boots. I'll have to ride with them, see how they actually break in a little bit, and see if those soles hold to the bottom of the actual boot. Like I said, it just kind of looks like they're just glued on the bottom here, so it is what it is. Thanks for watching this video. It's been a little while since I uploaded anything, but just been busy with work, life. I have a promotion coming up, so I've been studying for it, trying to get that the next paycheck to be a little bit bigger, if you know what I mean. So if you guys have any questions, just leave a comment in the comments below. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you like the content and want to see some more, just go ahead and subscribe. Thanks, and you guys have a good day.